As we continue talking about optimization and optimal performance and how we manage that at LiftLab, it's important that we talk about nutrition. We've already hit on all the aspects of recovery. Your sleep, your recovery modalities, and your nutrition is the third huge part to this. And not only your nutrition, also your hydration, because don't underestimate the power of water. It's been said that it's the most anabolic substance you can take because of its ability to regulate functions. At LiftLab, we have, again, like everything else, a comprehensive approach to nutrition that we use with our athletes and our clients. I myself have taken the precision nutrition course, all right, and we also have a full-time registered dietitian named Carla Ray. She's an Appalachian girl on staff, okay? And what she does is she helps athletes take themselves past counting the macros. Okay, so counting your macros, which everybody's familiar with now, is the most basic thing you can do. But macro is just that. It's macro function. All right, when you're counting your macros, you're just providing yourself with fuel. You're either going to have too much or too little, and that's going to take your body weight to a certain area. And that's the very beginning steps, well, one of the beginning steps to getting your nutrition in line. One of the benefits of working with a dietitian or somebody that's really skilled and really knowledgeable about nutrition is they're going to be able to work you through the micro aspects of nutrition, your food quality, your timing, and those sort of things. The quality of your food is going to determine the amount of vitamins and minerals that your body gets. And why is that important to a weightlifter? Sure, you need to regulate the amount of total fuel you have in the tank, but you also need to regulate the quality because those vitamins and minerals and the micro content of what you're eating drives all your function. It's what regulates your hormones. It's what fuels your Krebs cycle. It's what signals everything. Right? It's what helps with your autoimmune function. Okay, so the vitamins and minerals in the micro of what you're consuming plays a huge role in your nutrition. Just like everything else, in terms of human performance, we're just scratching the surface of nutrition. We actually don't know all the roles that vitamins and minerals play. They're that important and that vital to what we do, right? Vitality is life. Vitamin comes from the word vitality, right? It's important to your life and to your living and how you're going to perform as an elite level athlete. One of the things that we do at LiftLab is I've kind of adopted the precision nutrition approach to managing our athletes. And the one thing that I really liked about precision nutrition over all the other nutrition coaching services, okay, and I gotta also say that Carla Ray has the precision nutrition certification amongst all her other things. So we agree on this, this concept that precision nutrition offers a lot in terms of change psychology. All right, people are underestimating the power that your brain plays in your nutrition, right? People consume food, they consume the macro based on thoughts, motions, emotions, and feelings, right? Nutrition isn't all biology. There's some mental, emotional, and spiritual components as well. Okay, so at LiftLab, we may start with just having an athlete try to take their fish oil. Okay, try to take your fish oil for 7 days in a row. Okay, once you can take your fish oil for 7 days in a row, maybe now we're going to look at the macro. Okay, once we've got an idea of what's going on with the macro, then we're going to look at the micro. And this is kind of how we approach your nutrition, breaking it down from this big conglomerate thing into little individual goals to help you achieve what you want to achieve and to let you do that by fueling yourself properly. The other aspect of nutrition that's often, I shouldn't say misunderstood or misrepresented, is the role that hydration plays in training. Okay, so hydration regulates function, we know that, and when you're training, people generally do a good job of consuming enough water, but when they get to competition day, it seems like something's missed. Okay, and I see people in the back rooms, warm-up rooms, slamming down a bunch of Gatorade and eating a bunch of candy. And I have recommended in the past that people eat candy, but the problem when you eat candy and you drink Gatorade is the solution in the slurry that you're putting in your stomach is too rich with sugar to adequately be processed. Okay, so what we're trying to do now at LiftLab is we try to regulate that. There's two products we use at every weightlifting competition: Hammer Gel and Hammer Fizz. Okay, they're products that were created for endurance athletes, athletes that have to go for a long time and need to be refueling as they're going. Okay, weightlifting meets, at a minimum, your session lasts 2 hours. That sounds like an endurance event. Okay, now I get it. Your actual time that you're performing is like, 2 seconds, it's explosive and all those things. I understand that. But your body has to regulate and manage fuel for the entire 2 hours. So the reason we use the hammer gel is because that gives us the macro sugar content that we need. Okay, and the fizz gives us the micro vitamin, mineral, salt solution that we need to adequately have that fluid mixture pass through our digestive system and hydrate our athletes. Since we made that switch and we got away from Gatorade and Pedialyte, our athletes have just talked about how much better they feel in general. You don't see them having this huge blood sugar crash between snatch and clean and jerk, and the performances have gone up. So again, it takes time and a comprehensive approach to nutrition and hydration to figure out what the optimal solution is for your athletes to perform at their best. But these sort of conversations and these sort of nuances of hydration are little areas and little places where we can start looking a little deeper to try to get that edge to break American records and eventually world records.